The Specialist Music Technology program at Lakeland Senior High School is a one-of-a-kind experience in music education. We have modern facilities paired with tons of cool music gear. We also have a collection of cool retro gear for those really creative projects. You don't have to be the next big thing to make it into our program. You just have to work hard, think creatively, and have a lot of fun. You'll find in our program, you'll have boundless opportunities for creativity and personal growth. Just have a listen to what our students have to say.
And music is my absolute favourite subject.
Growth and excelling is the best thing you can get out of this program.
The Specialist Music Technology program has really changed me as a person. It's given me lots of time to work on my own music.
We perform so many different song genres, from pop to rock, and even some in different languages. And we have so many performance opportunities as well.
If you'd like to know more about what we have to offer, get in contact with us and organise a tour.